How to find saved products on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find saved products on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines here in the top corner, this one, click on it and then just go down until you find this one, saved. Click on it and then click all types, and here you will find products. Select it and here you can find your saved products on Facebook Lite. I don't have any saved products, that's why there is nothing here. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.